Hello, it's Mark from Worth It Repairs by Mark, and we're doing an iPhone 14 Pro Max with an expanded battery. Look, it is pushing off the screen, and let's get the screen taken off here. So, you don't want to break the screen, so we're going to use the OEM Screen Remover. But before we do that, we'll shut off the phone, and then we will get our P2 screwdriver out. It is a star bit, and unscrew the two bottom screws from the bottom here, and then we'll put it in the screen remover. Alright, here we go. Before we hop into the video, let's listen to today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Cell Helmet Snap Ring. It is compatible with MagSafe, good stand, it's better than a pop socket, look at that. Alright, once we got the screws removed, we'll use our OEM Screen Remover, put it in the clamp here, and then turn it on. I'll slide this bad boy on, and then you'll wait 2 minutes and we will take off the screen. Perfect, we got the bottom part of the screen off, but it still doesn't take off the top. So you want to get a plastic pry tool and pry around the edges up here. I also use some like alcohol or acetone mix to loosen up the adhesive. Boom, you get it open. It opens from the right to the left. We'll zoom in here, and we're going to replace these screws. Look at that, the battery is expanding there. Time to take out that Y000 screwdriver and remove all 8 of these screws. Hold it on the bracket for the battery and the screen. Wow, I can't believe it, an iPhone 14 Pro Max. But I actually figured it out here, is that it has been worked on. It has a little sticker there, and that's from You Break It, I Fix It. And they did a back glass replacement. You could tell inside the phone that it had kind of like some indents, like someone took off the back glass. And there was the adhesive underneath the battery was never removed, and they just put adhesive over the adhesive. It was very poorly done. Maybe they're in a rush or something, but anyways, they damaged the battery when they were taking it out, and that's what caused this phone's battery to expand so early on. It is like brand new. I was so surprised it came in for this. Alright, well, we're just going to keep on taking out these screws here, and then we will take off the battery connection and the screen connections. Take down a note. There is, the screws are different sizes, so you want to make sure you keep track of where they belong and everything, and then you won't accidentally break something or strip out a screw. Anyways, disconnect the battery here, and then we'll disconnect the screen, and then go ahead and disconnect the proximity sensor. Alright, we'll use our acetone as a purple mix and put it underneath the battery here, so then it'll make it nice and easy to get the battery out. The battery does have pull tabs, but since the phone was already worked on, they were missing, so I was unable to do that to this battery. Alright, after you put the acetone down, you get a plastic pry tool, pry up the battery just like that. Came out really easy. Like I said, it's been worked on before. They left some adhesive underneath the battery, which was very unprofessional. I'm surprised that they didn't even remove the adhesive and clean it up, especially if they're doing a back glass repair. Oh well. Anyways, we'll lay down some adhesive here after we clean it up, and I have wider adhesive, but I just didn't have it handy, so I just grabbed this skinnier adhesive here, and we'll hold down the new battery. Normally the batteries come with a adhesive already on the back, but this one did not. Anyways, you'll just want to connect the proximity sensor, then the screen again, and we will connect the battery before we put down the adhesive and see if it turns on. Let's plug it in here. Most of the time it needs to be plugged in after the battery's unplugged on these newer phones. And it looks like it's turning on. Let's give it a good test, and then we will put it back together. Perfect. The testing went well here, so we don't want to show the testing just because of privacy concerns. But let's pull the adhesive tabs here after we disconnect the battery and take it out, and then we will connect the battery first, and then we'll lay down the battery just to make sure it lines up perfectly. See, I'm struggling to get it on, and then lay it down. Boom, got it on. Alright, so let's put all the brackets back and all the screws back. Remember, they all go in a certain way. I kind of forgot where that one extra little bracket went, but I was managed to put it back on here. But this is my first look into this phone, so I was really excited to work on this repair here and get to show you guys this video. And what a surprise to see a battery replacement in such a new phone. Woohoo! I'm honored to get to work on this iPhone 14 Pro Max. Unfortunately, the battery expanded for reasons we don't want to re-talk about anymore. Well, at least we got a better battery put in, and it'll be like a brand new phone. It's nice to be able to prolong people's phones. I'm happy to share these videos with everyone. It's so great seeing people repair and also asking questions on my videos so then I can reply. And I'm great at trying to reply as soon as I can. I try to stay on top of everything and make sure my content is fully up to date. And I also been doing repairs for about 4 years now, and I finally have made it to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you for everyone for watching, sharing, and much more. We will see you soon on my next video. Remember, this repair was worth it!